is wet.
So wet. So we're gonna clean it. Finish putting the decals on it. And what else are we gonna do today?
Weigh it.
Oh yeah, we're gonna weigh it. We're gonna take the parking brake out because everyone says we gotta lose weight. Parking brake's coming out.
Well, it's broke now.
Yeah, so it's fine that it's coming out.
You're really trying to win.
Maybe it'll work. Decals. Numbers. What? There's a whole pile. I don't remember what they are. They're going here somewhere. I think this is peeling off.
We're definitely not professionals. It wasn't supposed to be sitting here for 2 months.
You're right. We put these on, what, 2 days before the event was supposed to happen, and here we are 2 months later.
A hurricane just us.
What are the odds there's another hurricane coming?
Oh, that'd be awesome. We're just done.
We're gonna load it up today too, right?
Yeah, okay.
Okay. So, look what I got, guy.
What do you got, guy? Holy
Scales!
We're gonna measure it for reals?
Real scales.
Do they work?
I don't know. We'll find out. Hey, you gonna pull it in so we can weigh it?
Yeah, I wanna get done with my milk.
Okay. Okay. On. Okay. It's zeroed. Oh! Now I'm impressed.
That's what does it for you?
Yep.
3,000! It's less than ideal. How does it weigh so much? Your ain't even in it yet.
I know.
It'll be at least 4,000 with you.
What do they weigh stock?
I think like 26.
We added weight?
Yes. Alright, we gotta pull that thing out real quick so we can see how much it weighs.
Pull what out?
The brake mechanism.
Oh yeah. Alright.
We'll get her.
I wish I could say this is the first time something like this has happened in this truck, but if they've watched the previous videos, they know.
This is every day.
This is standard.
This is how you fix things.
We didn't fix anything.
Whoa!
Well, you're not gonna believe this, but that
1 pound?
no, it's the same. Oh, maybe
3,070. We're making 69. We're still going down. What's next, guy?
stickers.
The sticky is still on here. Aw, it's Nick. Classy spot.
He couldn't come. Holy balls of
So now it looks like a race car. front bumper.
Yeah.
Yeah. Where are we gonna put it? This thing just looks like a turd without that. What'd you do, guy?
Yep, that's not going anywhere.
Just all secured.
We'll see you in Florida. I was driving on the road and everything was dragging, so I pulled over on flat ground since we loaded it on the most uneven ground possible. Let me see if I can get you. Look at this. That's way too much tongue weight. Holy. So I gotta take the truck off the trailer and flip it around. Alright, we got it turned around. And again, she ain't going anywhere. So, we'll see you in Florida. Maybe. Ideally. Hopefully. Say a little prayer for me. Ah, the seat's hot!
It's not moving.
That ain't it.